Welcome to the Diagnostic section of Nanz Group. The plant is accredited with ISO 13485. The facility and its system is designed to ensure all the applicable requirements of MDR 2017. The Diagnostic section is being run by professionals having vast experience in this particular domain. This section has a separate facility for incoming material testing of in-process, semi-finished and finished goods. The manufacturing and packing operations are done in adherence to the required GMP norms. The facility is designed with due care for the uniform man and material movement to avoid any source of cross-contamination. The gowning procedure for individuals are properly defined and ensured to be followed, along with desired personnel hygiene practices for product safety. The materials are purchased from approved sources and undergo complete receipt procedure at site before being tested and subjected for storage. The area is monitored for temperature at the identified hotspot to ensure material quality. The manufacturing and packing operations are done as per the standard instruction written in the batch manufacturing records. All the operational activities are done by trained persons under the supervision of qualified and competent staff. Conjugation preparation and its adjustment for the required concentrations is done strictly using sophisticated state-of-art lab instruments in adherence to the approved instructions as mentioned in the batch manufacturing records. The diagnostic facility is capable to produce in-house coated sheets of different products. The persons working in the manufacturing are competent enough to produce sheets of required quality. Temperature and RH controls are given in the warehouse, manufacturing and packing areas by dedicated AHUs. The area is equipped with DHR to provide required environment controls for the sensitive products. The lamination of the coated sheets are done under the strict environment control to avoid any chance of product deterioration of sensitive products. The coated sheets produced further undergo strip slitting, assembling and packing operations. The controls are provided to cut the strips of required width to make it easily assembled into the cassettes in the subsequent operational steps. The assembling of the strips into the cassette is done on the packing lines with due care by following the assembling instructions being displayed as well as written in the respective batch record of the product. The in-process testing is done to ensure intended physical and quality attributes of the product. Once the assembling has been done, the cassettes are subjected for rolling press to make the proper fitment of strips and locking pins of assembled cassettes. Pouch sealing of cassettes is done to make the product intact and safe under the desired environment for sensitive products. Appropriate moisture absorbent is also packed in the pouch along with the cassette. The manufacturing is done by following approved manufacturing instructions. In-process testing is performed during the sealing operation to ensure pack integrity. In QC lab equipped with all required testing instruments, facilitated with all kind of chemicals, reagents and reference standards. The QC lab of our diagnostics section is capable to perform all kinds of testing required to ensure quality in the diagnostic products. Production is allowed only after the QA clearance. Emphasis is given to quality checks for almost all the critical manufacturing and packaging steps of the product. All the packing steps being followed are properly recorded at the time it happens and verified by IPQA to avoid any source of error. Finally, the produced product undergoes finished product testing with the samples representing the entire production process of the batch. The batch is released on satisfactory evaluation by quality assurance teams.